My next technique is what I refer to as my rationalizing substitution. Now, in the end, what this really does, though, it transforms an integrand involving a radical into a rational expression for which hopefully partial fraction decomposition applies, or maybe it's so simplistic you can just state the answer. Now, if you look at my first example, this is not a good example, because I think with this example, I could easily use a trigonometric substitution. So I think a better example for applying a rationalizing substitution may be something like this. Here's something you and I haven't looked at yet. So now that I modified it so that I would not naturally dive into a trigonometric substitution, let me show you this new technique. Take the radical expression, give it a name, paying the consequence. I don't like it. So if you don't mind, not that this is a mistake, but if you don't mind, let me clean up prior to relating du to dx. Now paying the consequence of my actions. Here is a clean relationship between du and dx. Now committing to the substitution. In my denominator, this is what I have. Oh, what did I miss? My apologies. Did I miss my -3? But like I said, in my denominator, here's what I have. Here's what I have in the numerator. And here's another name for dx, but I'm running out of room. Distributing that multiplication over that addition. I will add my funky looking form of 0 so that I can transform this improper rational expression into some polynomial and a proper rational expression. Polynomial long division, yet again, works just fine if that's your approach. It looks perfect. This fraction right here reduces quite nicely down to this. Here's the remaining term. And I'll compensate, but I can't. I yet again just don't have the room. My goodness. This fraction reduces to this. And here's what's left over. This is still not proper. Solve force issue again. At least now I have some room. Is denominator 2u plus 1? So it'd be nice to have a 2u plus 1 upstairs. When I want something in mathematics, I typically just make it up out of thin air and pay the consequence. So I think we are ready to anti-differentiate term by term. Let's see what this leaves me with. Oh, did I just end a sentence in a preposition? Oh, that's big enough. The only thing left for me to do is back substitute. So u squared is this. U squared is x minus 3. Do you mind if I don't write the x? Do you mind if I don't write the minus c? It's just going to be absorbed in the constant. There too. Another test-worthy question.